Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I want to thank everyone for their patience. I've been away for a couple of weeks sorting out this new setup. Now it's been quite nice having a little bit of a break because I have been filming minimum one video a day since I started the channel. Sometimes I've done 2 videos, sometimes even 3 videos in one day. So it has actually been quite nice to have a bit of a breather, a bit of a break, and at the same time I've still been working on the channel in the background by getting this new setup up and running. Now I won't always be filming in this new setup, but it's just nice to have somewhere else that I can put out precious metals and film a video. So in today's video I wanted to do the 5,000 subscriber giveaway results. Now for those of you that watched the video all the way to the end, you'll know there was 2 things announced. The first thing that was announced was the fact that I'm actually doing 6,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm giving away 6 ounces of silver instead of 5 ounces. And the second thing I announced was that the actual video that you would have watched that says 5,000 subscriber giveaway wasn't actually the video to comment on to enter into the giveaway. Now the link to the giveaway was a private video in the description of that video, and the reason I did it that way round was so that I ensured that these prizes went to people that had watched the video all the way through and hadn't just clicked on the video, left a comment and then left in the hope to win some free silver. So thank you very much to those of you that watched the video to the end and entered. Now we're going to paste it into a YouTube random comment picker. And we're going to take away anything goes. And we're going to use custom filters. And we're going to exclude replies so that if people have replied to other people's posts, they won't be entered more than once. And we've also taken away duplicates, because I did say it would only be 1 entry per person. So let's press continue. Now you can see there's 280 comments in total. Now the reason that number is different from the amount of comments on the whole video is because duplicates have been removed, and also my replies to people's comments has also been removed. So let's pick the first winner. So we're going to do this draw 6 times. Like I said, there's 6 1-ounce silver coins. So let's pick the first winner. Now the first winner is Trishu123, and their comment says, congratulations on 6k viewers. I loved your videos on the CBDCs and trying to withdraw physical cash from the banks. I'd love the silver Krugerrand. So that's not a problem. You can have a silver Krugerrand because there's actually 2 silver Krugerrands to give out, and then the other coins are American Silver Eagles. So as you've requested a Krugerrand, you shall have a Krugerrand. Please do email me your address to my email address. It is in the description of the video. Let me know where you want the coin sent and I will send it out as soon as possible. Let's do the next winner. The next winner is Kermazen, and they have written as a comment, I'm new to this and I hope to stack steadily from now on. God bless and good luck. So that's really, really nice to see that it's gone to someone that is a new stacker. I don't know how many ounces you've got already in your stack, but I'm very, very pleased to be able to provide you with the next ounce. So again, please do send me your address in my emails so that I can send you your coin. The next winner is Alex Walker. Now your comment says, thanks for the chance to enter. I've been following your channel for about 6 weeks now as I'm a newbie to stacking. Keep up the great videos. Thank you very much, Alex Walker, for entering. Really appreciate that. Again, it's really nice that it's gone to someone that's just started stacking. So it's nice to be able to help build your stack. Again, drop me your address in my emails. I'm losing count now. Is that 3 we've done? So we've got another 3 to go. We've got Born Again Bullion. I really like the name. Congrats on 6k, Mr. 365. Really enjoy your videos and your honesty and integrity. Thank you and onwards to 10k. Thank you very, very much for the kind words. Email me your address and your coin will be on the way. Marshall Vincent is the next one. I really like your content. You're awesome, brother. Please drop me your postal address and I'll get your coin shipped out. Now, I've lost count, but I'm pretty sure we're down to one more. I think we've done 5, so let's do the last one. The last winner is the Bad Idea Lab. Very cool. Congrats on the 6,000 sub milestone. Good luck, everyone. So there we go. There's the 6 winners. Like I said, for everyone that has won today, well done. For everyone else, thank you very much for entering. Thank you for all the support. I've got a 7th giveaway on the way very, very soon. I did a community post asking people to subscribe to the Silver Stacker and the Stack Collector. And I think there was only about 25 people that saw that community post. So it's going to be a nice kind of smaller giveaway. I'm going to do that a little bit differently because I can't do it on a comment picker because it was done on a community post. So I will just be writing out the names on a bit of paper and then I'll let Mrs365 pick the winner of that. So we'll do that one in the next video. I haven't forgotten about that one. That will come very, very soon. And then what I wanted to announce also in this video is for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, I have a 10-ounce bar that Backyard Bullion is currently in the process of making. I think I mentioned it in my 5K giveaway video actually. I might have even put a picture on there. It's a handcrafted, hand-poured. It's going to have 365 days of silver stamped into the bar. It's going to be a really, really cool piece. Once that arrives with me, I'll do a separate video, and then as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers, that will be given away to someone. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thank you for all the support. Thanks again to everyone that entered. And like I said, for those winners, please do drop me your postal address to my emails and I'll get your coin out as quick as possible. Thanks again for watching and I hope you have a nice day.